Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying prerequisites: a web, config in your ASB, NET project, and a reference to system, configuration. Now add a connection string section and define a named entry with provider name and the connection string value. Once done, add the assembly reference and include using system, configuration in your code file. This lets you access configuration at runtime. Make sure the name matches exactly between web, config, and code. Small typos break lookups and cause null results. Next, read the value in your data access layer. Use Configuration Manager. Connection strings mycon. Connection string to retrieve the raw string, and optionally read provider name for factories. Handle null. If the key is missing, throw a clear exception or log and fallback. For maintainability, wrap access in a method or config service so you centralize changes. If you need multiple database types, use DB provider factory with the provider name. That makes switching databases much easier without changing SQL code. Finally, validate by instantiating the correct connection object and calling open in a safe test. Close and dispose afterward. Deploy with the correct config transform so production connection strings override local values. Make sure the app pool identity has network and database permissions, and confirm any encrypted sections are handled during deployment. If things fail, one key troubleshooting tip: verify Configuration Manager. Connection strings returns non-null, and that the name matches exactly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.